ジュース、ジュース。Juice is mean juice. Juice in English. When we say in Japanese, we have to say the long sound. Like juice, juice, juice. But we say fast, we can say like juice, juice. And it's mean English like juice. Right? I know, as you know that juice is mean you put the fruit and you mix and you create the juice. And if there are many kind of drinking, and in the case like that you have to choose, so you can say if you want to drink juice, you can say ジュースでお願いします。ジュースでお願いします。which means please give me some juice. 一杯のジュースをください。一杯のジュースをください。which means please give me one cup of juice.